Assalamu alaikum students, this is your mentor Fatima Batool. CSS screening test is around the corner and students are frantically preparing objectives of compulsory subjects. The pressure is on with 200 marks and 200 questions. Not a second is to be wasted. 20 questions will be from Islamiyat, 20 from Urdu, 50 from English, 60 from general abilities and 50 from general knowledge. Instead of focusing on all subjects, why not focus on the sixth ones, English and general abilities? The English portion is primarily about synonyms and antonyms, worth 20 marks. Unlike the GRE vocabulary which is tested in CSS Prezi and composition paper, here easier and simpler words are asked. Other questions are about sentences and you are to spot the correct or incorrect sentences worth 10 marks. Then 5 marks for completing a sentence with any of the given pairs. 5 marks are for preposition and 5 for picking the odd word out. While all these questions take 60 or less seconds to be answered, an important 5 marks question is based on reading comprehension. Unlike the comprehension question, in which you are supposed to write detailed answers, here your job is to carefully and slowly read the given passage and pick the correct option. In an objective type paper, time is always running short, so you will be in a hurry to mark the option. Take a deep breath and read the paragraph carefully. Use pencil if you need to mark a sentence from which the question is asked. The questions follow the order of the paragraph, so don't go back to find an answer. Read questions attentively to notice if they use synonym for a word that is given in the paragraph. Don't answer from your previous knowledge. It's not your general knowledge paper. On my YouTube channel, you can find 21 days and 21 corrections, along with a playlist on MPT grammatical quizzes. On my Facebook page, you will find multiple English quizzes to test your knowledge of English grammar and sentence correction. Here, in the description of this video, I am including link of reading comprehension exercises. Attempt a quiz, check your score, and revisit the question if needed. Just remember that the passing marks are 66 and there is no point in flaunting your MPT score on social media. The ultimate goal is the written exam that is 5 months from now. So gear up for that.